Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Agriculture should be made a compulsory subject in our educational institutions. Stop. Many students after their school education would lose interest regarding land, water, soil, etc. Stop. Hence, topics on agriculture must be included in the syllabus of our schools. Stop. Today, the paradox is that some students imagine ragi plant as tree and coconut tree as a plant. Stop. Hence, to avoid such ignominy, we should make it a point to set up technical training centers through agricultural universities. Stanza. We can increase export of food grains and earn valuable foreign exchange. Stop. Each farmer cannot take up this responsibility on his own. Stop. Hence, the center should take initiative in this direction and assist farmers in all possible ways to boost agricultural production. Stop. At the same time, the center should see that middlemen don't exploit the farmers. Stop. Marketing facilities should be available to the growers of cotton, silk, etc. Stop. Raw material should be readily available for processing. Stop. Storage facilities should also be there. Stop. Irrigation must be given priority. Stop. Agriculture is a vast field and many of my colleagues have expressed their views on this subject. Stanza. Water is the life of farmers. Stop. Hence, every drop of water should be stored and utilized properly. Stop. Throughout the country, bore wells have been provided and the water level is going down. Stop. Therefore, digging of tank is very essential to store and recharge water. Stop. Desilting and minor irrigation works should get priority. Stanza. At present, we are importing oil seeds. Stop. I feel ashamed to talk about this import of oil seeds. Stop. Our land is fertile and most of our people are agriculturists. Stop. Why can't we grow sufficient quantity of oil seeds like sunflower seeds, groundnut seeds, etc. Stanza. Our late lamented leader Shrimati Indira Gandhi, the then Prime Minister, gave us the 20-point program. Stop. Unfortunately, this program has not been implemented in all the states. Stop. In my state, this program has enabled lakhs and lakhs of poor people. Stop. The tiller is the owner of the land. Stop. Houses should be constructed for poor people. Stop. Land reform measures adopted in Karnataka have achieved tremendous success. Stanza. Shri Rajiv Gandhi had stressed the importance of public distribution system and he wanted that all the poor people should get the benefit. Stop. The center should provide sufficient funds to see that public distribution system reaches the remote villages. Stop. Our late Prime Minister Shri P.V. Narasimha Rao also expressed the same view. Stop. I hope he would release funds generously. Stanza. Jilla Parishads and Gram Panchayats should be made to work efficiently. Stop. There should be uniform administration in Jilla Parishads and village panchayats. Stop. Overlapping should be avoided in Nehru Rozgar Yojana and other programs and they should be implemented strictly so that the rural poor can get the maximum benefit. Stop. Money should reach the poor directly. Stop. There should be no middlemen. Stop. Checks should be there to avoid misuse of money. Stop. non-plan expenditure should be reduced to a great extent stanza. I hope that the Honorable Minister for Agriculture would come to the rescue of farmers and help them. Full stop. Over.